Hi. Welcome to Australian Polytechnic Institute. This short video will demonstrate how to access your learning materials and activities of a course on myAUPI. Accessing course learning materials and learning activities is critical to your studies. In a course, you will be required to access a wide range of learning materials and engage in various types of learning activities. This may include access to information, downloading study materials, submitting assignments, sitting for an exam or quiz, communicating with other students and the trainer, participating in live class lectures. And the list goes on and on. It's straightforward and convenient to access learning materials and activities of a course in myAUPI. Go to the course page. Scroll down and click the academic tab that you would like to access. Let's click tab A1 from the current unit. A corresponding list of available materials and learning activities will pop up in a separate window. Now, let's play around with it and see what happens. It's fun and easy, isn't it? There are two ways to go back to your course home page from the content page. You can click the Back to Home page link, available at the end of the content list. Or, you can click the course name in the course navigation pane. Let's click the navigation pane and go back to the course home page. Please feel free to contact our student services if you face any issues accessing the course materials. Please note, some of the contents may not be available to the students and you may not be able to access them. Thank you so much for the time to watch this video and consider AUPI as your trusted education provider. For information and other courses, please visit our website aupi.com.au. or write to us at info@aupi.com.au.